Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. A very warm good afternoon to one and all. I would like to start with a question. What is success for you? Success can be defined different by different people. Some might find success in luxurious goods. Some feel that they are successful because they own a villa and they have a Ferrari car. Or some might find success in a peaceful life. Like, I can buy whatever I want, I have the freedom of expression, I have a freedom to live a happy life. And some might think success is powerful. Success is the thing that I can do whatever I want. Power is in my hands. Scholars and gentlemen, you might be thinking, why is this guy standing with a skateboard in his hand? But today, I came here to show you that you must choose courage over comfort. And this skateboard has a great lesson to it. Because when I put this skateboard down, this rolls around. And I must choose, I must have the courage to stand on this. So there are steps to it. First step, you stand on the skateboard. And you might feel afraid. And you might need to step out of it. You can stand here and live a peaceful life. But I chose courage over comfort. I chose to stand on this. And the next step, I chose to turn my leg. I chose to move on the skateboard. And I chose to roll my legs with this skateboard. And this gave me the feeling of success. This gave me the feeling of a happiness. And that is only because I stepped out of my comfort zone. So that now I can roll on this skateboard and enjoy it. Yeah, there would be struggles on the way. You might fall around from it. And I'm still learning to do ollie on this. Like, you might have to jump on this and you have to practice. So, in order for me to have this success and to feel the pleasure of riding a skateboard, I must choose to step out of my comfort zone and stand on this comfort zone, and I must have the courage to move my legs with using this skateboard. Ladies and gentlemen, it is same in the entire life. If you take out Elon Musk, Bill Gates, so many billionaires, their family might be from, there might be income disparities, and their family might be from rich houses. But they chose to step out of their comfort zone. Elon Musk's dad was not a poor guy. He used to ride a Ferrari. But he chose to step out of the comfort zone. He worked 16 hours a day, and that is when he got the success that we see today. And I have a personal experience in my life. So in my CMA Foundation exams, the exam was 2 months away from me, and everyone else was studying from coaching centers and all, and I was living here. I got my BCom exams, I got my Kitab exams, and I was afraid. Within the next 2 months, people have been going to coaching centers for 6 months, and I am here with so much load on my head and trying to solve this exam within the next 2 months. But I didn't give up. I chose courage over comfort. I could have said, I could have put forth many reasons, like I have exams in Kitab, I do not get time in Viras, but I chose courage over comfort. And the result was, within the next 2 months, I got All India rank 13 out of the 16,000 people that wrote that exam. And that is a prime example. I'm not saying this to boast myself up. I'm telling this because you must choose courage. You just have to try out. As Rajesh Amani once said, that if you ever overtake me, I'll go underground for the next 6 months, and me and my whole team would stay 20 16, 20 hours underground and learn your strategy and come back and beat you at your own game. And that is the courage. That is stepping out of comfort zone. They could have stayed in their room, just like this skateboard. I could have stood here and the skateboard would stay there and we would live a comfortable life. But in order to get the pleasure of this riding this skateboard, in order to get that feel, I must have courage over comfort. Thank you.